Tired of just pointing when you shop in English?
Let's learn to speak up.
We'll show you how to shop confidently. Hey Anna, found anything good today?
Oh, Sam. Look at this jacket here.
It's a nice one. I like the color.
Yes, I really do too. But I'm not sure.
What's up, Anna?
How do I ask the price?
That's a great question. It's easy. You can say, how much does this cost?
How much does this cost? Okay, I can do that.
Or, what's the price of this jacket?
What's the price? Got it. That sounds useful.
Go on, Anna. Give it a try. The more you practice, the better you'll get.
Okay, I will try. Excuse me, how much does this jacket cost, please?
Excellent, Anna. See, you did it.
Wow, $45. That's a pretty good price.
It is. Do you want to try it on?
Yes, I think so. It looks like my style.
Good. Now, how do you ask to try clothes on?
Let me think. I remember this. Is it, can I try this on, please?
Exactly. That's perfect. Well done. You can also say, where are the fitting rooms?
Can I try this on, please? Where are the fitting rooms?
Yes, those are two very useful phrases.
Okay, I'll ask now. Excuse me, can I try this jacket on, please?
See, easy. You're doing great.
It feels good to ask directly.
Go ahead and try it on then. We'll wait here.
Be right back.
So remember those phrases, everyone. How much does this cost? And can I try this on, please?
It fits. But it's a bit tight on me.
Oh, okay. Do you need a different size?
Yes, I definitely do. How do I ask for a bigger one?
You can say, do you have this in a larger size?
Larger size. Okay, that makes sense.
Larger means bigger, everyone. Or, do you have this in a size up?
Size up. Got it. That's good to know. I will ask. Excuse me, do you have this in a larger size?
That's excellent, Anna. Clear and polite.
Thanks, Sam. This is really helpful for me.
No problem at all. It's all about practice.
Oh, perfect. This one fits much better.
It looks great on you. Really suits you.
Yes, I love it. I think I'll buy it.
Wonderful. How do you make the purchase now?
Is it I'll take this?
Yes, I'll take this is very common. Or, I'd like to buy this, please.
I'd like to buy this. Okay, I'm ready to pay now. Excuse me, I'll take this jacket, please.
Another successful shopping trip.
Yes. Thanks to you, Sam. I feel much more confident speaking English.
You're welcome, Anna. That's our goal. So, today we learned to ask for prices.
And to try on clothes.
And to make a purchase confidently.
Our key phrases were,
how much does this cost?
can I try this on, please?
Do you have this in a larger size?
And I'll take this.
Remember, practicing these phrases helps a lot.
Yes, don't be afraid to speak English out loud.
Try using these phrases next time you shop.
You can do it. We believe in you.
Keep practicing every day.
You'll be a confident English speaker very soon.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.